With Tesla ranking third at $635 billion, it does feel like a major portfolio manager has decided to take a stand right now. However, Cathie Wood is so good that you start to wonder, well, what is Elon Musk going to do? She has thought of a lot of ideas, and I always knew that Musk wanted to reinvent the grid. This one was even better. I recommend that people watch this conference call to see what a guy is doing to be able to say, I want your money. 5,000 automobiles approaching and posing pointless queries to me. I'll see you on Mars. I think more deeply than you do. At $635 billion, Tesla appears to be under the control of a major portfolio manager who is taking a risk in order to prevent the company from falling any lower. It may sound a bit like a conspiracy theory, but that's how the Tesla market works. Someone could be imitating Cathie Wood's tactics to support Tesla's stock and keep it from falling much more, but can they truly get it back to $1 trillion valuation? There are too many roadblocks in the way, much like when you try to reassemble Humpty, but when Tesla releases its new models in this video, we'll talk about this exciting development and the possibility of a significant boost in value across the country. Before we get started, make sure to press those like buttons. Additionally, to subscribe buttons. Welcome to Tesla Insights. Before we begin though, let's make a shift. Referring back to Jim Cramer's previous statements at CNBC's annual Investing Club meeting, he is adamant that there won't be another NVIDIA. In today's volatile market, finding a firm with NVIDIA's remarkable performance is difficult. Growth in revenue appears to be almost unattainable. Let's speak trillion-dollar corporations. Cramer thinks that NVIDIA's growth story, driven by artificial intelligence, puts it apart with potential trillions on the table. It's difficult to find another company with such a big market to itself. Apple. The elite members of this club are Microsoft, Amazon, and NVIDIA. Could there be other competitors hiding in the $600 to $700 billion range? With a $885 billion market capitalization, perhaps Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has a shot. However, Buffett is still conservative, favoring disciplined investments over rash acquisitions, which could result in him buying holdings in businesses like American Express and Coca-Cola. Time will tell if it will reach trillion-dollar level, but Jim Cramer's observations frequently contradict received knowledge. In actuality, just a small number of businesses, including Apple. Following recent notable market capitalization increases, Microsoft, Amazon, and NVIDIA have joined an exclusive club that touches the trillion-dollar milestone. Mark illustrating the enormous obstacles that others must overcome in order to reach comparable heights in market valuation when compared to other market participants. Tesla's stock appears to be a little stagnant. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is growing once again. The reason for Tesla's continued struggles to gain traction is, quite simply, that the company isn't making as much money as it should. Stock values typically rise as earnings do, but Tesla's earnings are declining at a rate of 45 times earnings. Despite its drop, Tesla is still more expensive than industry leaders like NVIDIA and Microsoft. Tesla is still an expensive investment now. Let's discuss Cybertrucks. Although the Cybertruck is an interesting vehicle with a price tag of over $100,000, Rivian is slowly making its way into the electric vehicle market. Does it have what it takes to take center stage? It's not so much a mass contender to reach that desired 250,000 units as it is a premium good. Mark, though it's true that the Roadster's claim to go from 0 to 60 mph in under a second is thrilling, isn't it? Well, maybe a little too thrilling in reality. It's more likely to send you airborne than break speed records. Still, Tesla needs to make it more accessible. Let's face it, Elon Musk's competitive ego may be at play here, but even with its challenges, a car that quick might be too much for the typical person to manage. Analysts anticipate that Tesla's development potential will continue to be promising, with full self-driving and possible revenue streams from superchargers contributing to a 28% annual growth GR in EPS over the next few years. Automated taxis. If you believe in Tesla's future as much as Buffett, Cramer, and all of them do, is it time to double back on the company? Tesla's coffers might rise even further, and let's not forget about the new Semi and Cybertruck that are on the horizon, adding gasoline to Tesla's revenue fire. According to these gurus, now could be the ideal time to ride the Tesla train with an eye toward the prize. When it comes to Tesla's impressive growth, it's not just about watching from the sidelines for Tesla bulls and those with a keen eye for finding the next stock market gem. Aside from Cramer and Buffett, do you know who else shares in pro-Tesla optimism? Our friends over at Seeking Alpha. Remember, nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. Your one-stop destination for the most recent information on Tesla is Seeking Alpha. Targets for Tesla stock price innovation from Tesla and everything Musk Elon. The ideal strategy is to seek alpha. Online sources of Tesla news avoid the negative coverage of the company by focusing only on the facts. Visit the link in the description to receive a unique discount, even though Tesla's return to trillion-dollar device. Although rivals to Nvidia's glory may not be as exciting, AMD should not be overlooked. As for NYCB, Cramer has a soft spot for it. However, insider buying isn't always a red flag, as Mom used to say. If people don't recognize their own banks, why should they trust their purchasing habits? With its ability to operate independently, Tesla's fully self-driving technology signifies a fundamental shift in the transportation industry. Not only does FSD improve driver convenience, but it also creates new revenue streams for Tesla thanks to its planned robotaxi network. Just picture using your smartphone to summon a Tesla and have it transport passengers autonomously. This would completely transform urban mobility. Now, let's talk about the Cybertruck and Semi. These vehicles represent not just Tesla's dedication to innovation and safety, but also its cutting-edge design. Strong construction and innovative design promise to reinvent the pickup truck. Meanwhile, the Semi-TR, outfitted with Tesla's cutting-edge safety features and control systems, isn't just a way to move cargo, it's a game-changer for commercial transportation. The Semi has the potential to greatly lower accident rates and increase traffic safety, but this is where things get interesting. The electric semi-truck from Tesla aims to replace diesel-powered trucks with sustainable vehicles, promoting both road safety and sustainability. Tesla wants to lessen the impact of freight on the environment and cut carbon emissions. Transportation. This is in line with Tesla's overarching goal of hastening the global switch to sustainable energy. Selling vehicles is only one aspect of Tesla's business strategy. Another is altering transportation in the future to include electric trucks instead of FSD. Tesla's roadmap, which prioritizes sustainability and safety, is full of opportunities to upend numerous industries and bring about significant change on a worldwide scale. Not only is Tesla creating cars, but it's also creating a better future for everyone, so let's not ignore the man in charge. Love him or hate him, Elon Musk has contributed significantly to Tesla's success, despite some people's confusion following yesterday's call. Tesla has a stellar growth track record that speaks for itself, with years of continuous expansion. Tesla is about to embark on another incredible journey. 2024 is quickly approaching, and Tesla faces challenges from rivals like the build that grew. With 1.88 million vehicles delivered last year, Tesla faces fierce competition. The $25,000 model may be their saving grace, but time is everything. Additionally, the Tesla Energy division, which is increasing at an amazing 54% yearly, is a valuable asset. Vying to be named the biggest utility in the world, but with the Chinese market growing, pressure to mention China is increasing. Biden's competitive automobile range is generating waves, but Musk's lofty timelines for Tesla haven't always been realized. Still, the model's first sales might be expected for the following year. But here's the really big deal. We'll tell, but one thing is certain: with innovation at its heart and ambition in its DNA, Tesla's journey is far from done. We will be gripped by Tesla's tail the entire time. We want to hear from you. Do you think Tesla can return to the top? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you want to stay up to date on all things Tesla, don't forget to like this video. Jim Cramer's bold prediction stirred the pot, setting the stage for Tesla to make a comeback. But can they navigate the obstacles ahead and reclaim their throne? Will international expansion be the key to their success? What about the energy sector? Could it hold the key to Tesla's future fortunes? And to receive more intelligent updates, sign up for Tesla Insights. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the next video.